During my undergraduate, I developed strong interest in material manufacturing and even mechanical composite applications. I choose to pursue composites because it is one of the most evolving and impactful fields in engineering today. From aerospace to automotive and even sustainable material, it provides, or you may say it offers, high strength to weight ratio and design flexibility. Since I have been involved in drone development and manufacturing processes, I know how this lightweight and high performance material matters. That's what really pulled me towards this field. I chose Ahmedabad University because of its strong focus on research-driven learning and interdisciplinary approach. The curriculum is well structured and aligned with industry needs. Also, the university encourages innovation and practical exposure rather than just theoretical learning, which is very important for me. One of the best things about Ahmedabad University is its learning ecosystem. We have access to modern labs, advanced equipment, and a research-oriented environment. The faculty members are very experienced and highly approachable, which makes a huge difference. Going forward, I plan to execute my knowledge of composites in industries like aerospace, automotive industries, and even sustainable material manufacturing. In long term, I also aim to contribute my knowledge in developing more efficient and sustainable engineering solutions.